Today, I'm going to show you how to restore your WordPress site to an older version in just a couple of minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting after a recent update or trying to roll things back to a more stable setup, this step-by-step guide will give you the skills and the confidence to safely return to an earlier state. No stress required. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know is that backups are your safety net. If you use a popular backup plugin like Updraft Plus, Duplicator, or Jetpack Backup, your recent site backups are just a few clicks away. Head into your WordPress dashboard and locate your chosen backup plugin in the sidebar, typically under a section labeled Backups or the plugin's name. Once you're in, browse through your backup archives. It might be labeled by date or version, so pick the one that corresponds to the point you want your site to revert to. Think of this like grabbing a snapshot from your phone's camera roll, just a way to rewind time to a moment before things changed. When you found the right backup, initiate the restoration process. This might take a few minutes as your site files and database are replaced with those from the backup. Don't worry if it seems like nothing is happening at first. Restoring a website can be a bit like unpacking and putting all your furniture back after moving house. It takes a little time. If you run into any warnings or errors, read them carefully. The backup plugin will often provide very specific instructions to address common issues. But what if your goal isn't just restoring your content, but actually downgrading the entire WordPress core software to a previous version? This is sometimes necessary if a new WordPress update broke compatibility with your theme or plugins. For this, you need a special tool in the form of a plugin. Within your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Downgrade. This is a well-known plugin designed specifically to let you roll back WordPress core versions safely. Click Install, then Activate. If you haven't installed a plugin before, don't worry. WordPress will handle the files for you. After activating, you'll see a new option under Settings called WP Downgrade. Click into it, and you'll spot a simple field asking for the target WordPress version. Maybe you want to return to version 6.0, simply type that in. I recommend double-checking the version number just to be sure you're rolling back to the right point. Once entered, press Save Changes. Now at the top of the page, you'll see a link guiding you to the core update page. Give that link a click and follow the on-screen instructions to begin downgrading. Your WordPress installation will download and apply the older version. This step might take a minute or two depending on your server speed, and you might see a briefly unavailable message as WordPress updates itself. Don't panic, give it a few moments, then refresh your admin page, and that's it. Your site should now be running the older version of WordPress you specified. Always take a few minutes to click around your site and make sure everything works as expected. Restoring or downgrading WordPress might feel intimidating, but remember, with backups in the right plugins, you're never stuck with updates you don't want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Got questions or need help with a step? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I read them all and I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.